Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
5 delicious finger food ideas for babies with no teeth. For many parents, feeding their babies is a herculean task. However, as the babies grow up, they like trying out new tastes and textures. This is when finger foods should be introduced to your baby. Wondering which finger foods you could feed your child? This list will help you with 5 healthy finger food ideas that your baby can enjoy. Healthy finger foods for a baby without teeth. 1. Pasta. Ingredients: penne pasta or shell-shaped pasta, olive oil or butter, tomato puree. How to make: boil water and cook the pasta till it's soft and mushy. In a pan, put a little butter or olive oil and add the cooked pasta. Stir for a minute and then add the tomato puree. Let the pasta cool before you serve it to your baby. 2. Cooked veggies. Ingredients: 1 sweet potato, peeled and cut into small sticks, 1 small carrot, peeled and cut into small sticks, 4 to 5 small broccoli florets. How to make: steam or roast the veggies until soft and tender. Transfer it to a plate and let your baby enjoy. 3. Fruit salad. Ingredients: various types of fruits, like an apple, a banana, kiwis, strawberries, etc. Black salt, optional. How to make: peel and cut the fruits, small enough for the baby to chew. Add little black salt and give it a good mix and let your baby enjoy it. 4. Paneer sticks. Ingredients: paneer, cottage cheese, ghee or oil, a pinch of salt, optional, a pinch of turmeric, optional. How to make: cut the paneer into long strips. You can marinate the strips with a pinch of salt and turmeric. In a pan, put a little oil or ghee. Lightly saute the paneer strips over medium heat until they turn golden brown. Bring the temperature down before you feed the paneer sticks to your baby. 5. French toast fingers. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 to 3 slices of whole wheat bread, a pinch of salt, optional. How to make: mix milk, salt and cornstarch in a bowl. Trim down the crust from each slice of bread. Heat a pan on medium flame. Lightly grease the pan with butter. Dip a slice of bread in the cornstarch and milk mixture. Remove it immediately and fry it in the pan. Fry till it turns golden brown on both sides. Cut the slice in 3 to 4 strips and let your baby have it when it cools down. Introducing finger foods to babies is a good way to get the baby used to different types of tastes and textures. With these 5 finger food recipes, you can now explore your baby's taste and liking.